Hi all, Potterton HE Combi Boiler 28HE. I'm going to remove this is the second one, the item I'm going to move. The first one I did was a video just earlier, and that was the expansion tank. This is going to be this little job at the back here, okay? And I'm pretty sure it's called heat exchanger. And this can cause, when it gets all congealed and muck inside it and whatnot, this can cause kettling, which is like, if kettling means you're boiling a kettle. A hell of a noise. 2 screws hold it in, 4 washers, okay, 4 washers at the back. If you're going to remove it, you need to replace the washers. I'm not a plumber, I don't care what everybody says. I'm doing it because I just need having a bit of fun, and this boiler is scrap anyway. Okay, the other screw, and if you can see it, if I can get you around there, excuse him, what? Okay, so there's that one there, and there's another one just behind. Bear with me. There we go. I'll bring you in focus if I can. Can you see him? There, that one there. So I'll just get that. So that's just behind the water pump. They're not in tight. They're not in tight. They're not small. They're not massive screws. They're like sort of countersunk. I can't get to that at the moment. Hold on. Okay, so that frees up the heat exchanger, and it just pops off like that. You can do this in situ. A bit of water will pop out, but it doesn't matter. You can get it out either way like that. And there we go. One heat exchanger. You get the same model, and then these washers, this is not in bad nick actually. Let me just come out. Okay, and I'll pull these washers out. These washers that actually fit flush on the surface here are actually indented in behind this. See this here, this part here, this one here. See if I can get him out. He's in tight that one. Hold on. I'll tell you what's even more fun, because the boiler isn't mounted. Look at this, hold on. Look at that. There. So let me just pull you forward. There you go. Look at that. Well, even I've seen that before. So, and these are your washers, and by rights you're supposed to replace them. They don't look in bad nick, you know. And they just sit in. They just sit in the boiler there. Sit in. That's not bad. A little bit of water, a little bit of hard water in that one. So let me pop one out for you. See if we can get one out, just so you can see. There we go. There we go. That's it. So you really, if you're going to change your heat exchanger, or even get a new one or whatever, you need to change the rubbers as well. And you can get to it from the inside and the boiler in situ, of course. I've done it myself. All right. Before I get told off, no, this is not telling you how to fix your boiler. I'm just showing you what I did with mine. All right. There we go. So that's how to remove the heat exchanger. Let's have a look. See what sort of condition. You can't really. It's not bad though, I suppose, but you can't really tell. See, it gets all furred up. That's what happens. And then I think it blocks. Someone will correct me if I'm wrong, but the is it whatever it is, the fins inside get blocked, so that means there's less cooling water, or the water becomes hotter and hotter, and that's what causes the kettling. I do not know. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. This is not trying to put anybody saying I know anything or I'm an expert. I'm just having a bit of fun. All right, there you go. Heat exchanger. Not that dear actually. £36 off eBay you can get them for these boilers anyway. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care. Next one coming up will be probably the, actually I can show you that now because there's another part here, if you can see that. I'm not too sure what it's called. Now, whether it's a stepping motor or something. It goes on the 3-way valve or the diverter valve, whatever it's called. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not a plumber, but to get this off, because I had one of these fail on me, it's pretty straightforward actually. You've got a slide pin here, and you just slide it out if you can on this motor, Oh, that's in stiff. Okay, there we go. Can you see that? That comes out that way, so these cause pressure and hold it in place. All right, and then this you can just jiggle about if you can, and it should just pop out. It's a little bit awkward with that pipe there, but let's see what we can do. And we had to replace, mine wasn't this tight, I must admit. And there's also the plug is here, so you can pull that off. That only goes on one way round anyway. There you go, it won't fit the other. If I can get him out. There we go, turn it round, spin him out. And mine had gone, all this had corroded. This is all just disintegrated. We took it apart and it was absolutely ruined. Put a new one in, and yeah, it worked for a couple of years actually. This sort of, I don't know, it just sort of steps it like a stepper motor up and down, and it moves a pin inside here. And I presume then it alters a trap or alters the diverts the water to go either central heating or hot water. I might be wrong, someone will correct me of course again. Like I said, it'll only go on one way round. Or will it? Will it go the other way? No, only go one way round. Well, there you go, 2-in-1 there, heat exchanger. I don't know what it's called. Is it a stepping motor or is it just a, I don't know. There we go. There's no name on it, is there? No. Okay, there you go. Second video on the strip down of a Potterton Promax Combi HE 28HEA. Take care. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe button and notification bell over in that corner. Up and coming videos over here. All the best. Bye.